Hey guys, welcome back to Nikki's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make some tender and spicy creamy coconut jerk salmon. To start off, we're going to wash the salmon with some lime juice or lemon juice or vinegar, anything that you have really, because one, we want to get rid of the fishy smell, and then we also want to get rid of any bacteria or remove any slime that's been on the salmon. After rinsing, I'm going to pat dry the salmon to remove any excess moisture that will cause the fish to steam instead of sear. And then in a small bowl, I'm going to go in with 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of Walker's Wood green season, 1 tablespoon of jerk season. I didn't have any Walker's Wood, so I used homemade instead. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of all-purpose season, 1 teaspoon of fish season, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, half teaspoon of black pepper. I didn't have any scotch bonnet, so I'm using half teaspoon of red crushed peppers instead. And then I'm just mixing that around to combine everything. And now I am going to add the seasoned mixture to the salmon. I'm going to rub it all over to ensure that it is fully coated with season. Then I'm going to set it aside and leave it to marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to heat some oil in a skillet over medium heat, and then I'm going to place the salmon skin side down and let it sear for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then I'm going to turn it over and let it sear on the other side for another 3 to 4 minutes. And once it has a nice color, I am going to baste the salmon with some garlic and herb butter because I want it to be juicy when it's cooked. Once that is done, I'm going to remove them from the pan and just set them aside so I can start working on the creamy coconut sauce. In the same pan, I'm going to add some diced onion, minced garlic, green, yellow, and red bell peppers, along with about a tablespoon of green season, jerk season, and all the same powder season that I used on the salmon. Then I am going to stir it around and let it saute for about 1 to 2 minutes. And I am going to add my canned coconut milk and stir everything around to ensure that it is fully combined. And then I'm going to allow the coconut milk to come to a boil because I want it to be fully cooked. Once it starts to thicken slightly, I am going to go in with some shredded cheese. I am using Parmesan, but you can use whatever cheese that you have on hand. Just allow it to melt fully into the sauce. And then once that is done, we are going to turn the salmon fillet to the skillet, and I'm going to use a spoon to spoon the sauce over each fillet and then leave that to simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes until the salmon is fully cooked through and coated in that creamy jerk sauce. And there you have it, guys. My creamy coconut jerk salmon, which is perfectly seasoned, it's tender, and it's cooked in that spicy coconut sauce. I'm having mine with some yellow rice and a steamed cabbage, which to me is the perfect combo. The recipe for the yellow rice will be posted soon, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and follow for more from Nikki's Kitchen. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.